Beyond the physical, the allure of astral travel. From ancient mystics to modern-day explorers, the human fascination with astral projection has transcended time and culture. This enigmatic experience, often described as an out-of-body journey, has captivated our imaginations for centuries. Imagine the ability to soar through the cosmos, explore distant lands, or visit loved ones in an instant, all without the constraints of the physical body. This is the tantalizing promise of astral projection, documented in countless cultures and traditions throughout history. But what exactly is astral projection, and is there any scientific basis for this extraordinary phenomenon? Before we dive deeper, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Universe for more exciting explorations into the unknown. Astral projection unveiled, a journey through time. Astral projection is the purported ability to consciously project one's consciousness outside of the physical body. While the concept might seem like science fiction, accounts of astral projection can be traced back thousands of years. Ancient cultures, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, believed in a subtle body that could separate from the physical form. The term astral projection emerged in the late 19th century, popularized by esoteric movements like theosophy. Despite its long history, astral projection remains a subject shrouded in mystery and debate. Is astral projection a genuine out-of-body experience, or simply a product of an overactive imagination? Here's a question for you. What is the term for the plane believed to be explored during astral projection? A. Physical plane. B. Astral plane. C. Mental plane. D. Dream plane. Write your answer in the comments below. Correct answers will get a heart from us. The science of astral projection. Unraveling the mysteries within. Astral projection, the phenomenon where the soul or consciousness is said to travel outside the physical body, has intrigued humanity for centuries. From a scientific standpoint, astral projection presents a fascinating enigma. It challenges our understanding of consciousness and the boundaries of the human mind. Researchers have begun to explore the neurological and psychological factors that might contribute to this phenomenon. They are delving into the brain's complex workings to uncover the secrets behind these extraordinary experiences. Some theorize that astral projection might be linked to specific brainwave patterns, such as those observed during deep meditation or lucid dreaming. These states of consciousness are known to produce unique brainwave activities. During these states, the brain exhibits slower brainwave frequencies, associated with relaxation and altered perceptions. This altered state of consciousness might be the key to understanding astral projection. Some scientists point to the potential role of the pineal gland, often referred to as the third eye in esoteric traditions. This small endocrine gland in the brain is believed to play a crucial role in regulating sleep and consciousness. Despite these intriguing avenues of research, the scientific community remains divided on the validity of astral projection. While some see it as a profound mystery worth exploring, others remain skeptical, demanding more empirical evidence. The debate surrounding astral projection highlights a fundamental challenge in studying subjective experiences. While countless individuals claim to have experienced astral projection firsthand, these accounts are often dismissed as anecdotal evidence. One of the main obstacles in studying astral projection lies in the difficulty of objectively measuring and verifying the experience. Unlike physical phenomena, astral projection is a subjective experience that occurs within the realm of consciousness. Despite the lack of conclusive scientific evidence, the persistence of astral projection accounts throughout history and across cultures warrants further investigation. Could there be more to this enigmatic phenomenon than meets the eye? For those intrigued by the prospect of astral projection, numerous techniques and practices claim to facilitate this out-of-body experience. These methods have been explored and refined over centuries, drawing from various spiritual and psychological traditions. These methods generally focus on inducing deep relaxation, altering states of consciousness, and cultivating a heightened sense of awareness. By achieving a state of profound calm and mental clarity, practitioners believe they can transcend the physical confines of their bodies. One popular technique involves progressive muscle relaxation, where you systematically tense and release different muscle groups in your body. This practice not only helps in relieving physical tension, but also prepares the mind for deeper meditative states. This technique is often combined with visualization exercises, where you imagine yourself separating from your physical body and floating upwards. Visualization can be a powerful tool, as it engages the mind's eye and helps create a vivid mental image of the desired experience. Another approach involves harnessing the power of lucid dreaming, a state of consciousness where you are aware that you are dreaming. In this state, you can explore the dream world with a sense of control and intention, making it an ideal platform for practicing astral projection. By becoming lucid within a dream, you can then attempt to consciously project your awareness outside of your dream body. This method leverages the natural fluidity of the dream state to facilitate the transition to an out-of-body experience. The key is to experiment with different techniques, find what works best for you, and approach the process with patience and curiosity. Keeping a journal of your experiences can also be beneficial, as it allows you to track your progress and refine your methods over time. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of consciousness, some researchers believe that the answers to astral projection may lie beyond the realm of classical physics. Quantum physics, the study of the very small, has revealed that the universe behaves in ways that defy our everyday intuition. At the subatomic level, particles exist in a state of superposition and entanglement, where two particles become interconnected and influence each other instantaneously. Some proponents of astral projection theorize that consciousness itself may operate according to quantum principles. While this notion remains highly speculative, it offers a tantalizing glimpse into the potential for consciousness to transcend the limitations of our physical reality. The implications of astral projection, if proven true, would be profound, challenging our fundamental understanding of consciousness, reality, and the nature of existence itself. Imagine a world where our minds can transcend the physical boundaries of our bodies. If we can indeed separate our consciousness from our physical bodies, it suggests that consciousness is not limited to the brain. This opens up a realm of possibilities. The ability to access other realms or dimensions through astral projection suggests that our physical reality is just one layer of a much vaster, interconnected multiverse. This multiverse could hold answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask yet. While astral projection remains a topic of debate and speculation, its enduring allure and the persistent accounts of those who claim to have experienced it cannot be easily dismissed. These experiences, though anecdotal, provide a tantalizing glimpse into what might be possible. As we continue to explore the mysteries of consciousness and the universe, we may one day unlock the secrets of astral projection, revealing truths that could forever alter our perception of reality and our place within the cosmos. The journey to understanding is just beginning, and the potential discoveries are boundless.